We have made ample of car parking arrangements. Outstation vehicles will not be allowed to come in. The big vehicles, especially buses, outstation tempo travelers, tracks, during the days of Christmas and 30th, 31st will not be allowed to come in. Everybody will have to compulsory wait in the parking lot, take our vehicles and come inside. If you want to go to Baga Beach, Kalangut Beach, they let them use our tempo travelers or our taxis, which will be at a very reasonable price. So in this way, we want to see that traffic is not jammed anywhere on the roads. For that, Kandoli Panchayat, Sarpanch and members, they have put around 15 wardens, traffic wardens to help the public. Kalangut Panchayat is also in process of putting about 20-25 wardens to help the public and the traffic, to help the traffic cell Kalangut and also RTO. RTO will strictly implement bus bays, will challan buses or any other vehicle who are indisciplined. They will even go to the extent of suspending a driving license if somebody does not listen, break the law. So it is self-discipline. Every driver should know that he is responsible for himself, for his vehicle and others. दुसऱ्यांची गाडयेची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ड्रायव्हराची आसपाक जाय जो चलयता पळय तो अशें न्हू हॉर्न खंयतरी पार्क केली अशें न्हू हॉर्न कोणाची हॉर्न मारली सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन इज मोर इम्पॉर्टंट दॅन एनीथिंग एल्स आणि आपण कितें स्पेशल यहाँ वन वे और समथिंग वन वेज हैव बीन डन Kalangut Panchayat has done their plan, Kandoli Panchayat has done their plan, they have done ample space for parking. So everything will be done with the support of the local people.
And this will be implemented in which only in Kalangut or all the coastal side?
No, this is being implemented right from Saligaon Circle up to Kalangut Church, up to Kandoli, Shinkerin, up to Fort Aguada, from Kalangut up to Tito's Lane, Baga, Fatfish Road, everywhere. Up to Arpora, up to Sauranginath Temple. So all this area which is falling within the jurisdiction of Kalangut constituency, we are planning that no traffic jam should happen in the Christmas New Year time.
And for how many days it will be like? How?
This will be till 2nd of January. But then we want to do a long term plan for long weekends, Saturday, Sundays, when there are a lot of Indian tourists who want to come with their vehicles. So we want to plan in a different way for them, like multi-level car park. This is long-term planning. But for that we are planning today only. So what should be done, how the traffic flows, where there are traffic jams, where there are which junctions the traffic is more. People park in no parking zones. So how do we sort out that issue? We'll take people in confidence.